Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Your biology teacher here with the last lecture of unit number 3, biodiversity. First of all, today we are going to study about binomial nomenclature. Carolus Linnaeus 1707 to 1778 introduced the system of binomial nomenclature. According to this system, every type of plant or animal should have a particular name consisting of two words. The first word is the name of genus. It begins with capital letter. The second word is the name of species, which is also called specific name. ये शुरू होता है small letter से. Linnaeus listed about 4,000 different species of animals and plants. Linnaeus के बाद अब भी कोई भी organism डिस्कवर होता है तो उसको नाम दिया जाता है according to the rules of binomial nomenclature. Let's see what is the importance of binomial nomenclature. A single name is used in the whole world. It simplifies the study of species. The generic name is common to all the species of a particular genus. The specific name is based on certain definite and specific characteristics which differentiate the organisms of a particular genus from one another. Let's study about advantages of binomial nomenclature. Some of the advantages of binomial nomenclature are these names are more definite and precise than ordinary names. Being generally in Latin, they have a universal acceptance by people of all languages. They indicate the generic and evolutionary relationship of individual animals and plants. Here we are having some examples of binomial nomenclature, biological names of some animals. On one side we are having English names and on the other side we are having zoological names. Housefly, Mosca domestica. Giraffe, Giraffa camelopardolus. Porcupine, Hestex lacura. Cat, Felis domestica. Butterfly, Pyrus rape. Earthworm, Ferritima postuma. Here we are having some biological names of plants. On one side we are having common English names and on the other side we are having botanical name. Blue water lily, Nymphaea lotus. Tobacco, Nicotiana tabacum. Neem, Melia azadirach. Sunflower, Helianthus anus. Garlic, Allium sativum. स्वीट पी, लेथेरस ओडोरेटस. अगर इनको आप गौर से देखें तो हर एक बोटेनिकल नेम दो वर्ड्स से मिल के बना हुआ है. इसमें से पहला वर्ड जेनेरिक नेम है जिसका फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट कैपिटल और दूसरा वर्ड स्पेसिफिक नेम है जिसका फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट स्मॉल नज़र आ रहा है. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी. Let's first see what is the meaning of conservation. It means to use the resources such as plants, animals, minerals, and water in a sensible way. What is conservation of biodiversity? The steps taken for saving the biodiversity on Earth are termed as conservation of biodiversity. Now, what is the importance? Conservation of biodiversity and other resources is necessary to fulfill the needs for the present generation as well as for the future generations. Dear students, now let's see the impact of human beings on biodiversity. Due to human activities, the biodiversity of many areas and the earth as a whole is decreasing day by day. A species that no longer lives anywhere on the earth is called extinct species. वो स्पीशीज़ जो कि अब ख़त्म हो चुकी है, जो ज़मीन पे मौजूद नहीं है, ऐसे स्पीशीज़ को एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीशीज़ कहा जाता है. The species which are in the danger of extinction are called endangered species. वो स्पीशीज़ जो इस बात के करीब हैं कि उनकी नस्ल ख़त्म हो जाए, ऐसी स्पीशीज़ को कहा जाता है endangered species. The species that are likely to become endangered in the near future are called threatened species. Many plants and animal species have become endangered due to human activities. Now, how the human being is going to impact on the biodiversity? The first point is habitat loss. Habitat loss means destruction of natural habitats of species. वो जगह जहाँ पे जानवर रहते हैं या परिंदे पाए जाते हैं उसको इंसान तबाह कर रहा है अपने फ़ायदों के लिए. Overhunting, it is also a cause of loss of biodiversity. Introduction or removal of species. When a new species is introduced in an ecosystem, it may prove harmful for the existence of other species living there. Rapid industrialization. The chemical pollutants released from industries are harmful for species and ecosystem. Here we are having the next topic, that is deforestation. Jangalat ka khatma. Deforestation is one of the major cause of loss of biodiversity. The reasons behind deforestation are extension of cities. सिटीज़ जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं, चूँकि आबादी ज़्यादा हो रही है, उनके लिए रहने की जगह तंग हो रही है, इसलिए ये सिटीज़ फैलती जा रही हैं और इनके फैलने के लिए इन जंगलात का खात्मा ज़रूरी समझते हैं लोग. एवर इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन. ट्रीज़ आर रिमूव्ड फॉर पास्चर फॉर्मेशन. चरागाहें बनाने के लिए इन दरख्तों को हटाया जा रहा है. वुड इज़ यूज्ड बोथ एज टिम्बर एंड एज फ्यूल वुड. टिम्बर माफिया कट ट्रीज़ फॉर इजी कैश, जिसको हम स्मगलिंग कहते हैं दरख्तों की. Now dear students, let's move towards question answer session. Question number 1 is, what is the importance of binomial nomenclature? Question number 2 is, how extension of cities leads towards the deforestation? Thank you dear students for being here with me. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.